Lions are predatory mammals of the panther genus, belong to the feline family. Among cats, they are among the largest. For its size, strength and beauty, the lion received a flattering assessment from man, the king of beasts. In total, there are about a dozen subspecies of lions. Some of them are on the verge of extinction. Big cats live in Africa and southern parts of Europe and Asia. The body length of an adult male is 1.7 to 2.5 meters, and that of a female is 1.4 to 1.8 meters. That is, males are much larger than females. The body weight of animals is, on average, 150 to 200 kilograms. The largest felines can grow up to 3.3 meters in length, while weighing more than 300 kilograms. Lions have a well-developed muscular body, powerful legs, a large head with strong jaws, and 8 centimeters fangs. Their entire appearance suggests that they are dangerous predatory cats. Interestingly, males have a thick mane that covers the neck, chest, shoulders, and part of the back. Females have no mane. However, manless males also exist in nature. Depending on the subspecies, as well as the place and habitat, the body color of lions can be sandy, yellowish, brown or dark brown. At the same time, the belly and inner sides of the paws are often painted in a light color. The mane, on the other hand, can be darker. Many lions live in groups, prides, in a certain area. The pride usually includes 5 to 6 related females, 2 to 3 males, as well as cubs of both sexes. Upon reaching puberty, 2 to 3 years, males almost always leave the pride, while females remain, although they can leave it voluntarily. Thus, in addition to prides, there are wandering lions, usually males. More often they keep alone, but they can also gather in groups or join other prides, if they are accepted. Females play the role of hunters in the pride, since they are more agile and flexible. The mane of males also has an effect, due to which they are prone to overeating and rapid fatigue. Females hunt in groups, act in a coordinated manner, leaving no chance for their prey. Sometimes males also take part in the hunt. It is interesting that the responsibilities in the pride are distributed among the lions. Some hunt, others take care of the offspring, and someone protects the borders from strangers. Males drive away alien males, and females drive foreign females. Thanks to this social organization, each of the lions in the pride is in action and can feel confident. Wounded or sick lions who are not in the pride can attack people. Due to their weakness, predators cannot get their own food, respectively. They have to look for a weaker prey. This is a person. In other cases, predatory cats do not touch people. Moreover, they are very calm about the presence of people, including next to their offspring. It happens that animals themselves come to a person. For example, when looking for a place to rest, wild cats may walk up to a parked car and settle in its shadow, especially if there are no other objects nearby that cast a large shadow. Lions rest about 20 hours a day. In fact, they are not busy with anything all day and only go hunting at night, but they also arrange periodic rests there. But if there is not enough food for the pride, animals can hunt during the day, thereby reducing the time for rest. Leos use a variety of expressive movements to communicate. They can use a variety of sounds, facial expressions, and postures to communicate and convey their emotions. For example, a gesture of greeting is rubbing the nose against the head, face, or neck of the person being welcomed. Lions can interbreed with other felines. The lion male plus female tiger is a liger. A tiger male plus female lion is a tiger. Leopard plus lion is a leopard. Jaguar plus lion is Yagur. Animal hybrids adopt the characteristics of both their parents. Sometimes they can surpass them in some parameters. But these are all the same cats, which is easy to understand by their appearance.